Oh my God. Oh my God. The cute version of Nick a cop. Kip. Oh, awesome. You want some three-stripe topple. Ah! A crack so sharp it cuts through. So I went to the store yesterday and got this little microphone that lets you break the sound barrier. So let's break the sound barrier. So I went to the store yesterday. Oh, I can't wait to eat my toast slap. Actually, I'm breaking the sound barrier. Oh, so story. This guy is the first to jump from space, and he almost lost his control while doing it. Captain Sparkle's dead at 30. What? Captain Sparkle's dead at 30. Bull. Now. Okay. This man. I brought my roof out today again. And who's gonna stop me? Guys, it's time to leave.